In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for meeting agendas with dashboards, docs, and tasks. If you're looking to run tighter, more organized meetings in ClickUp, you have 3 simple approaches to choose from. I'll walk you through each option so you can pick the one that fits your team's style and keep everything tied to your work. First, if you like a classic agenda, you can share and edit together. Use ClickUp Docs. On the left sidebar, click Docs, then select plus New Doc. In the blank page, type your meeting agenda, including topics and notes. Think of this as your single source of truth. Give the doc a clear title and add the date. List the topics you want to cover, and leave space to capture decisions and action items as you go. A doc is perfect when multiple people need to add notes in real time or when you want a running log of past meetings. It's easy for everyone to follow along, and it keeps the conversation structured and transparent. Next, if you prefer turning talking points into actionable work right away, use tasks. Open a space or list where your team already tracks work, then click plus task. Name each task as an agenda item. With this approach, every topic becomes a task you can follow through on after the meeting. It keeps focus, makes ownership obvious, and ensures nothing gets lost. You can group tasks by meeting date or label them so they're easy to revisit. This option works especially well for teams that want to move quickly from discussion to delivery. Finally, if you want a real-time snapshot for a meeting overview, use a dashboard. Click Dashboards from the left sidebar, then click plus New Dashboard. Add widgets to see meeting tasks and progress at a glance. For example, bring in a task list filtered to the items you plan to discuss, charts to show status or workload, and a simple notes widget to capture highlights. A dashboard gives you a visual command center you can put on screen during the meeting. It keeps everyone aligned on priorities, blockers, and outcomes without digging through multiple views. To wrap up, choose docs when you need a shared agenda and collaborative notes, tasks when each talking point should become trackable work, and dashboards when you want a high-level meeting overview that updates live. And that's how you use ClickUp for meeting agendas with dashboards, docs, or tasks. Quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips.